So this is my online website for my Sogners third grade ELA class. I designed this site to be a central, easy-to-use resource for my students and their families. It's a place where you can always find out what we're reading and what we're learning, how to connect literacy to the world. My favorite section is obviously the navigating tool. I made it to where you can navigate quickly between all of the different standards and things that you need to know. I wanted the site to be a transparent, engaging look for the joy of third grade ELA. Right, so now we're going to go under Meet the Teacher. So I built the Meet the Teacher page to do one critical thing: start building a relationship with my students and their families before the first day of class. Elementary school is all about connection, and this page is the first step. What I really enjoyed about creating this page was balancing the professional and personal. I made sure to include important facts about my background as a full-time elementary student at LSU, my coursework, things like child development, classroom management, and my commitment as a native Louisianian teaching here. This information builds trust and shows my qualifications. I also love adding the personal details as an avid gamer, and I love exploring fantasy novels, and that I find energy in connecting people. I believe the most helpful part of this page is the way I organize my professional and personal circles. The section, which is near the bottom, clearly shows who I learn from and who I work with and who supports me, including my teacher mentor. It gives me a comprehensive view of my support system and how I stay connected to the education field. Next, we go to ISTE Standards for Education. This page is dedicated to the ISTE Standards for Education. It's here because I explain the core philosophy behind my teaching practice. The ISTE standards are not just about technology, they are a powerful framework focused on the how and why that we teach. I believe that they are essential for creating a dynamic, high-impact learning experience in today's world. What I enjoyed most about this page is finding the visuals that clearly represent the complex ideas on the page. You can see how standards are broken down into roles like collaborator, citizen, and designer. These visual breakdowns is what I think will be most helpful in my site. It shows that by embracing these standards, I am committed to using technology efficiently to personalize instruction and prepare my third graders for an interconnected world. Ultimately, this page is about my commitment to being a future-ready educator. It shows parents and administrators that I'm guiding students with a current, relevant, and robust framework for modern learning. The next page is technology models. I created this technology models page because I wanted to clearly communicate the strategy behind integrating technology into my third grade ELA lessons. It is not about using Teach for the sake of it, but it's about using the right models to ensure technology generally improves students' learning. What I think is most impactful about this page is the highlights of the models, the SAMR, and the TPAC. They ensure that the technology in my classroom is not just added, but it's meaningful for student learning. Now we're going to go under the podcasting page. This is the concept of podcasting, which is simply creating and distributing audio episodes on digital platforms for people to listen to. I created this page because I believe that podcasting is powerful. What I like most about podcasting, as noted on the page, empowers by allowing them to follow reflection and stay with the trends and strategies. As the Edutopia, a special kind of magic that lives inside being a driver's seat in your own learning. For me personally, it's the most helpful part is that I can observe evidence in the format while Ultimately, the goal of this page is to showcase the value of differentiate instruction and stay committed to a lifelong learners. We're going to go under gamification. The practice of enhancing learning by using interactive game-like experiences. I created this because I truly believe gamification should be a standard in practice in modern classrooms. Most about this page, what I enjoyed most was explaining their benefits. Increased engagement, transform traditional lessons into dynamic challenges, encouraging students to actively participate rather than passionately absorb information. What I think will be most important is use of badges and boards. It's immensely helpful. Instant feedback allowing them to track their growth. The tools in this The tools and links on the page are ClassCraft, which show how gamification fosters both collaboration and healthy competition competition in a low-stakes environment. Now we're going under digital storytelling page. On the digital storytelling page, what I think will be most helpful for future students is storyboarding. Storyboarding is a cool preparatory stage that requires students to map out the sequence of visual, audios, and narrative beats before the production begins. This is a planning skill and it's valuable. The best part of this methodology is it cultivates genuine studency. By the student's personal vision, no project is guaranteed to capture a unique, authentic perspective. The last part of my website that I think is valuable is the Apple Teacher Certificate. This page is dedicated to my Apple Teacher Certificate, and it's an achievement I'm very proud of, and it signifies that I've completed the learning modules and demonstrate a proficiency in using Apple technology like iPad and Mac to enhance student learning. The meaning and value. What I think is most helpful about this showcase is that what I think most helpful about showcasing the certificate is the professional commitment it represents. Earning the certificate means I'm prepared to integrate Apple's powerful education tools to my third grade class. The impact. Ultimately, this is about ensuring that my students have the best technology supporting my learning resources. My goal is to use these skills to create dynamic, interactive, and personalized lessons that keep my students engaged and future ready.